What's good, beauty pageants, and what's good, beauty checks? It's your girl Mari back in this thing with the crazy video.
I'ma get them in the end like Simba did Scott. Oh shit, I think I'm pregnant, but I don't see no belly. These bitches trying to come my way before they eat.
Now today, I know you guys wondering why I've on this crazy makeup and why looking so ugly. So let me explain to you guys. I will be going on this app named Monkey again and asking people to rate my ugly makeup. Now I know these people gonna give me some hilarious response, but yeah, stay tuned. Okay, the first caller is from the United States. Rate my you made it hang up. He hang up so fast, y'all. Y'all won't believe it. But hey, y'all, check this out. I get some blue mascara. I get some yellow eyeshadows. I get some red lipstick. Hey, but you rate my makeup. 0. She give me a 0, y'all. A 0. I look so pretty. Oh my god. Rate my makeup. They say it ugly. Hey girl, rate my makeup. Rate my makeup.
Oh, you look pretty. You look so pretty, girl.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap. No bullshit, bro.
Rate my makeup. Why y'all lying to me? Like, why they lying to me? Rate my makeup.
Your makeup's beautiful. I like it.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you?
Rate of 1 to 10. Rate this out of 10. Okay. Rate my makeup. Rate my makeup. She immediately hang up. Rate my makeup.
I like your makeup.
Rate it through 1 to 10.
She put a rating. Oh, I rate it. I rate the. But your name is a 9.
Stop the cap.
What? Y'all know I look like a clown though.
No, you don't. You just shake your wing right here.
Where hell?
Yeah, just shake it like hello. Know how to make change. I got gas.
Rate my makeup. Rate my makeup. Rate my makeup out of 10.
Oh, rate you?
Yeah, the makeup.
Oh, the makeup? I give it 4.
So a good 4 or a bad 4?
Good 4.
Stop the cap.
By the way, y'all rate this down below. Rate it out of 10 and let me know in the comments down below. This one from Turkey. Yo, it look like I need to come on this app looking like Miss Daisy, cause rate my makeup.
Wait, what's that?
Rate makeup out of 10.
9.5.
Why?
Really, nigga?
Why they lying to me? He give me a 10. I mean a 9. Why they lying to me, sis? I don't know. Like, They don't know this a makeup artist. Like, come on. Okay, I'm gonna do 2 more persons and then I'm gonna wrap this video up. So rate my makeup.
Oh, hi.
Hi, rate my makeup.
Am I wearing makeup?
No, rate my makeup with a 10.
Oh, okay. I give it about a 9.
Whoa, oh my god. Rate my makeup. Rate my makeup out of 10. That man cheese.
9.
Damn! Y'all, why is he lying? Okay guys, this ends the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And also y'all, make sure check out my sister channel, Players World. Make sure y'all subscribe on that and y'all.
Sis. The eyebrows is a no for me. So that's 5 points taken away. You wearing foundation?
Yeah.
Well, that on point a little bit. You wear eyebrow straw?
No.
That's another 5. So like you then only at 10 points. So I can give you a -1.
Oh.
-1.